Hi everyone, it's me again. I'm Lena and I'm from the Healthcare Landscape group. In this video, I'll be talking about my first DE, which is my progress week 94. Now, in this video, I'll be talking about the 5 main parts. The first part is what have I learned. The second part is my intentions. The third part is the improvements that I have made, and the fourth part is the discussion in the meeting. Finally, I'm going to talk about the words for next week. So let's get started on my first part, which is what have I learned? Well, last week I have learned about dermatomyositis and also polymyositis. So those are the two things that I have learned. Their differences, similarities, symptoms, their treatments, diagnosis, things like that. How do they differ, and things like that. So those are the things that I have learned. Next is my intentions. So last week and the week before that, the weeks before that, you noticed that there was a goals part. But during this meeting, week's meeting, Mrs. Pratt explained that we should use intentions instead of goals. When we're using goals, we should use it for a video that tells about our plan for the next 10 weeks, 30 weeks, 12 weeks, etc. So we need to use intentions. So it's a more fitting name. So my intention is to inform the group of my sickness earlier than usual because I'm sick on Saturday, but then I informed a few days later, so that was too late. And I think that it might interfere with the group's decisions as well and work as well. Next is the improvements that I have made. Last week I haven't done any work yet, so there are no improvements that I have made, unfortunately. Next, I'm going to talk about the discussion in the meeting. There are 3 main discussions: the self-reflection, in which we talked about our intentions and our improvements that we have made. Next, we talked about math, in which Mrs. Pratt explains for us the DE3, how we should do it, and Kennedy shared her answers as well for the math DE3. And finally, for the main work, we each gave presentations on the main topic, which is common disorders, muscle disorders, and diseases. And that is the discussions in the meeting. Now, finally, the last discussion, which is the works. And speaking of which, we're going to talk about our work plan week 94. Now, our D1 will be the progress week 94. We'll talk about these 5 main parts, just change the name of goals to intentions. Also, the D2 and the main work will be the last topic of the muscular system. So this is going to be how the skeletal and the muscular system work together. We're going to talk about how they work together, how they interact, how they are connected, and things like that. And for the D3, we're going to redo the D3, week 93. So redo the D3 from last week. Kennedy will redo it. I will do it this week because last week I haven't done it. So that is my progress week 94. That is all for my DE1. If you have any other questions or any other opinions or suggestions for improvement, then I would be glad to hear them. Thank you for listening to my video, and I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!